everyone! Thank you for clicking on this video. I don't know why videos don't start out like that more often, but anyway, you are looking so good today, so attractive, fabulous, which means you probably never do these 7 things that we're gonna be talking about today. 7 things that attractive women never do. I know, it sounds so harsh and dramatic, and looks aren't everything, but I really like making these kind of videos. I think they're fun, they're entertaining, we learn a few things along the way. So if you like this kind of content, you should definitely subscribe right down below. It's just a red button, it's free. No, it's actually, it's a little bit to the right actually. Yeah, a little bit further down. Yeah, I know they keep changing it. Yeah, that's what I said. You're good though? Great, okay. Let's get started. The first thing that attractive women never do is wear matte lipstick when their lips suck, myself included. My lips are terrible. They're wrinkly, they're peely, they're really, really bad. And yet matte lipstick is very popular right now, and yet women still continue to wear it. I will show you a before and after photo or video of my lips. Every time I go to film a video, I have to put on a good lip gloss, chapstick, something a little bit more shiny or gooey to basically fill in all of the suckiness on my lips. So anyway, ladies, take note. If you have matte lipstick, you might need to cover it up with some ooey gooey lip gloss. The next thing that attractive women never do is get bad highlights or lowlights. Don't look like a skunk. That's the gist of this entire point. I really like hair that has lots of colors and dimensions. It's blended really well, it's beautiful. Or I actually really like hair that's all one color, all one shade. That's great too. Be careful of the very vertical, uniform, perfect pieces that can sometimes happen with bad highlights or lowlights. You want them more blended, more random. Randomize the highlights. I'll insert some bad photos. Don't do that. Getting highlights or lowlights with a color that's literally the exact opposite of your natural hair color can lead you looking like a small furry animal, aka a skunk. Again, to each their own, just something to consider though. Okay, let's move on. The next thing that attractive women never do, I forget what it is. They never have chipped nail polish. So I got my nails done specifically for this video. Just kidding, I didn't. I actually got them done, but I'm not saying you always have to get your nails done, you always have to paint your nails, you have to get manicures, your hands have to look perfect. No. All I'm saying is if you're gonna go the extra mile of painting your nails, if they start chipping or peeling or you start biting them, just take off the nail polish. That's all. It chipped and gross, it doesn't look good. It doesn't look attractive. It can ruin your entire outfit, your whole look. So just take off the nail polish. But just a side tangent, since we're looking at my hands, I burnt myself really bad with my steamer, my clothing steamer, my professional one that I rave about on my channel all the time. Let me tell you guys, it works because I have a 3rd-degree burn on my hand, but it's okay. I have a Steelers Band-Aid on here. Pittsburgh Steelers, go Steelers. We suck this season, but that's okay. If you're gonna paint your nails and they start chipping, take off the nail polish. Simple as that. The next thing that attractive women never do is overdraw their lips and or eyebrows. We really like big things in the society. I don't know what that meant. What I mean is big lips are a thing. Eyebrows define our face. I mean, we're getting more accustomed to that. However, some people can unfortunately go a little too far and they overdraw, they do it not in a good way. So I have a trick for you. Let me just show you. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna actually use my phone as a mirror because I'm too lazy to go upstairs and get one. This is my Luby phone case. Use Shade W10 for 10% off, guys. This is like the best phone case ever. I'm not just saying that. Anyway, so the trick for overlining your lips in a good way is to actually just focus on the center of your lips. If you go the full way around your entire lips, you're going the route of a clown. That's what a clown does. We don't want to look like a clown. We want to look natural but plump. I'm using red also, just so you can see it better. So go over your lips just a bit. Now we're at the bottom. Just a bit. And then we go up and we start connecting it with our natural line. Now I'm going in with a Clinique little lip crayon. I swear by these lip crayons because they give pigment, but they're still a little bit shiny, so they're not matte, and they make your lips look great. So I can link these below. So I'm just gonna go ahead and fill that in. And now guys, I have bigger lips, but they look natural. So it looks good. And since we're already zoomed in here, I might as well show you my eyebrow trick. So here's a mirror. I could have used this the whole time. Anyway, so when you're doing your eyebrows, sorry, this is a repeat, but you really want to focus on the definition towards the ends of your eyebrows and then use whatever is left on the tip of your brush for the beginning of your eyebrow. You want to go very light at the beginning of your eyebrow, gradually getting darker, and that leads to beautiful, amazing eyebrows. I know, since we've zoomed in, this side is kind of lacking, so I'll work on this side and move on to my next point. Now going along kind of the same path, attractive women don't wear too much makeup. Now, I love makeup. I don't have the greatest skin, I don't have the greatest complexion. I slather my makeup on, but the thing to keep in mind is you don't want to look like you have just too much going on top and bottom. So what I like to do is pick one area of my face to kind of emphasize that day and make more bold. So if I want to have a bold lip, then I try to go a little bit light with my eyes and my bronzer or my blush. Pick one area to really emphasize. So if you have really crazy eye makeup on, lots of mascara, lots of eyeliner, really smoky, then maybe go with a nude lip, something very natural looking. There's a fly. Just pick one area to focus on, go a little bit light in the rest, and then you will end up with not too much makeup, and believe it or not, even more attractive than the other way. AKA wearing too much makeup. The next thing that attractive women never do is let their teeth go. I love that I'm pulling all of this inspiration from myself. I know it appears as though my teeth are super white in these videos. I do think they're probably more white than yellow. However, I feel as though in the recent few months, I've let my teeth go, okay? I am obsessed with coffee and it has taken its toll. Guys, I see the footage after I film it and it's become, my teeth are turning yellow. They are. So let me just tell you what I have been doing, because I really actually don't recommend doing that at-home teeth whitening things that from brands that have nothing to do with dentistry and what's really good or bad for your teeth. That really scares me. So if you want to go directly to your dentist, that's great. But this is my trick. I really do like this activated charcoal toothpaste. I can link it below. I mentioned it in other videos. I kind of got away from it, but I do think it really works. It's called My Magic Mud, and it is the whitening version. A lot of people have commented to me in the past about charcoal being too abrasive on their teeth. And to that I say, I think that's the case if you're just using regular powdered charcoal from a can or a jar, because you can go out and buy that for other purposes. But this is specifically for teeth. So they grind that down to a level, or whatever you want to call it, for your teeth or your enamel. So I really think this is great. I actually do get this at my dentist office, believe it or not. And then I do pair it every once in a while with just the Crest 3D white strips. This is really good. I know this is basic. This isn't too expensive, but I think that throwing 1 or 2 or 3 of these on, just when you want a little pick-me-up, I definitely see a difference with this. Don't doubt these. They're powerful, but good. And they don't hurt your teeth. They don't make them fall out, so yay. The next thing that is super important, this is probably the most important one out of all of these points. Are you very curious? Are you curious? Am I building up the hype? What could it be? What could it be? What is the most attractive thing that somebody could do or maybe not do to look more attractive? And that would be, don't be too boastful, prideful, negative. Don't be those things. Be humble. Sit down. Many people probably don't get that reference. I'm a closet rap fan. That's what attractive women don't do. They don't feel like, oh, they're the most attractive thing in the world. Don't have that persona. Being attractive is not the most important thing. I think it's your character, it's how you treat others, it's your mindset and being a positive person and just being nice. I think I've said that in other videos. Being nice is so important. And so that does it for this video. I really, really hope you enjoyed it. I had so much fun filming it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing below, it helps. And I will see you right on over here. Oh no, that was not supposed to be there. You didn't see that, woo! I'll see you on over there in my next video. Bye.